So we want to factorize 15a squared b to the 4 minus 10a to the 4 b squared completely. Now, 15 we can write as 5 times 3. And then I've got times a squared, and I'm going to write the b to the 4 as b squared times b squared. And then 10 is 5 times 2. And the a to the 4 I'll write as a squared times a squared. And then we've got the b squared at the end. So if we look for what's common, we've got a 5. We have an a squared, and we have a b squared. And then what's left is 3b squared minus 2a squared. Now we want to complete the square on x squared plus 8x plus 5. In other words, write it in this form just here. Now you should know the technique for doing this. We put x and then half of this coefficient, so plus 4, in a bracket. Now if you think about expanding that, you get x squared plus 8x plus 16. But we have plus 5. So what we need to do is take away 11. Now in this situation here, because we're simplifying the following using index laws, using no negative indices. So we add the indices in this situation, so that's a to the 9. Now in the next one, we can do it by doing 14 divided by 21. Divide them both by 7, and that gives us 2 over 3. Now if you think about the x's, we're doing x cubed divided by x, because we've got an x cubed on the top and x on the bottom, and so that is x squared. So that's going to be an x squared on the top. When we look at the y's, we've got y squared on the top divided by y to the 4, which would be a y to the negative 2. But no problem, that's just a y squared on the bottom. And of course, we could have done that a different way, which would have not entailed us having to use negative indices anyway. We could have just cancelled x's off and cancelled y's off. 27 to the 2/3. Now you need to remember the meaning of the 2/3 index. What it means is the 3 on the bottom of that means we're taking a cube root and then we're squaring it. Well, the cube root of 27 is 3, so it's just 3 squared, and so the answer to that one is 9. Now with this one, remember the negative just means it's 1 over 4 to the 3 over 2. And that is going to be on the same basis we discussed up here with the 2 on the bottom. It's a square root. We don't normally write the 2 there, but I'll just leave it there for now. So it's the square root of 4 and then cubed. So that's 1 over 2 cubed, which is 1 over 8.